So we cover a lot of AI launches and releases on this channel, but something just launched that no one is talking about. I think this is one of the biggest moves that we've seen in AI this year, and it's a whole platform and agentic launch out of Alibaba.com. It's called Accio Work, and you definitely haven't heard of it because I got early access. And so in this video, we're gonna dive into the updates, what exactly this Accio Work platform is, and then I'm going to go ahead and run 3 actual demos that will be useful for you if you run a business, you work in e-commerce, or generally you just want to learn about AI. And generally, if you're interested in how AI can help you as a professional and an entrepreneur, then I promise you're in the right place, and this video especially will be very useful for you. And that in mind, a big thank you as well to Alibaba.com for early access to the model. And that in mind, y'all, let's get into it. So if you've watched this channel before, you've seen me go over the Accio models. Accio is basically this specialized agent and model for e-commerce. It's really good at a few things, primarily product specs, so helping you create actual products and also connecting with suppliers through the Alibaba.com network. But over the past year and a half or so, where I've been covering the Accio series of models and updates, it's always been a fairly linear progression. You've had the next update over the past model that has some more features, or is a slight expansion, or is more intelligent. But this new platform is not that. This was not just a model update, this was a massive expansion from just the Accio model into essentially an agentic business platform. And it's closer to Claude Desktop or OpenClaw or Skywork. It is basically a platform that lets you build agents and all types of agents that are integrated with all these different apps that can go ahead and do things for you as a business owner, whether that's marketing, whether it's operations, or whether you are a product and e-commerce business owner like we've covered in the prior Accio videos. And so that's a big move in the world of AI. Alibaba.com is a massive company. They've developed their whole own range of native models. Also, the Alibaba Group, which owns Alibaba.com, has a massive cloud compute arm. So this is a very serious player on the world stage. They do over $100 billion a year. And this platform, again, it's not a model, it's an agentic platform that is on par with things like Claude Cowork, OpenClaw, and Skywork. And now I actually think the differentiator of this platform currently, and maybe that'll change, but just right now is kind of the UI UX stack and how you can create the workflows and everything we're going to get into in a minute. But just to give you a sneak peek of what you're about to see, I want you to pause the video in about 5 seconds, and we're going to put on the screen about 20 of the different things you can do with this platform, and then I'm going to actually showcase 3 of those demos throughout the remainder of this video. And let's put a picture of a mini horse on the screen to entertain you while you pause the video to read this. I hope you enjoyed those mini horses as much as I did. I love mini horses. They're like horses, but mini. So first, let's get into the specifics of Accio Work, and then we'll hop into my computer for the demos. So this is what the home screen looks like. It's a desktop app for your computer, currently Mac only. Now you can engage with the general agent, which is basically Accio, so the previous Accio model, but it can use all these other agents and integrations, and that's the big expansion component. Then in the left here, if we click on agents, this is where you can set up custom agents or use pre-built agents. Then under capabilities, there's a lot here. You can schedule tasks. That's really important. We'll come back to that. There's also connectors. That's where you can set up custom integrations so that the agents can actually do things in the apps that, for example, you run your business on. Then you have skills, which are specific things or capabilities for the agents that you can add or remove. So it's a very compact way of ensuring that an agent of your choice or build can do something basically that you want. Then a big expansion here is that you can interact with your agent like with OpenClaw on different platforms. So for example, you can communicate with your agent via Telegram. We're going to check that out as well. So the base general agent there, that's kind of the default, is an improved version of Accio because it can use all these connectors and integrations. But I think there's a lot more there. It's not just about sourcing or e-commerce anymore. Yes, that's the focus. And yes, this whole platform and these agents will be really good at specifically that because they tie into the 400 million products and 1.5 million suppliers on the Alibaba.com network. But there's also a lot more. This is now a general agentic platform for professionals again. So if you work in e-commerce or a product business, I've been saying this for years, go try it, just give it a spin. But now there's a lot more vertically kind of if this is a platform where some of those point solutions are really a value add for you. And going back to that point about the scale of the Alibaba.com data moat, that is a very real moat. Globally, the Alibaba.com network has 26 years of B2B experience, a billion plus products, 50 million global business profiles. In a world where data is gold, they have a lot of it. And again, just technically speaking, that is why this model reasonably is very good at that specific set of things relating to e-commerce, product creation, etc. You just have this massive data stack accumulated over a quarter of a century. So that's the high level, what it is, what it looks like, some of what we're gonna get into on the platform. Now, the first demo we're gonna jump into is an automated e-commerce workflow, and generalize this, please, right? If you work in a different category, you can watch this, you can copy and paste it into something that's more relevant subject matter wise for you. Now also, this is not available yet, probably depending on when you're watching this. What you can do right now is join the waitlist that will be at the link in the description.
Guys, ignore that. I was just told the launch date is actually March 23rd, so if you're watching this in that first week, you will be one of the first humans ever to be able to try Accio Work. And better yet, you get 2 weeks of unlimited usage of all the top AI models if you are one of those early users. So ignore the whole waitlist thing. You can go right now to the description and you can try it out and get unlimited access for 2 weeks. And with that in mind, let's get back to it.
In that in mind, let's get into demo number 1. So here we are inside the Accio Work platform. If you're on the new message page right here, then the default model will be Accio. And then also if you create other agents, then you can go ahead and switch right here. For example, I created a X Daily Analytics agent. Now for this first demo, we're going to basically look at the new way that this platform will complete something that we've looked at, or kind of workflow that we've looked at for e-commerce business owners in a prior video about previous iterations of Accio. So I'm going to give it this very specific prompt. That's research trending products in the home organization category for Q2, then analyze what's selling well, identify 3 to 5 products with high margin and low competition, create product listings, and draft promotional copy for social media. So there's a few tasks in there. That's a pretty big prompt. And part of that is on purpose. I want you to see how the master model, right, Accio, breaks it up into the other agents and skills on the platform. Now under project, that's just whether the agent is working in a specific file or folder on your computer. I'm gonna leave this as is. Under model, this is important. You can use any and all of the frontier models. I'm gonna stick with Opus 4.6. If you like GPT or Gemini, you could do whatever you want. I'm gonna stick with Opus, and let's give this a go. Okay, so we can see that the Accio model has started the task, and what it's done is delineate this or break it up into a bunch of other tasks that then it will delegate to these other sub-agents on the platform. And let's let it work for a few more minutes. And also right here, we can see that it is pulling actual sourcing data from the Alibaba.com platform. Now it's completed task 1 and it's going back to task 2. And while it's working on this, let's jump into the skills category right here. This is that skill library, and we can see under e-commerce and sourcing all the specific things that I can do here. And if you work in e-commerce, you know how valuable a lot of this is. Things like tariff search, I'll add that right now. That's going to actually correctly calculate tariffs based on codes. I'll also turn on tech pack generation, the CJ dropshipping API. I mean, you name it, product selection, new product development, it has it in the skills. And these skills are what in turn the agent can pull from. So when it's going about and responding to this task, it can delegate part of that, for example, finding new products or creating a tech pack, to these different skills or the sub agents. Okay, so we have a full report that was generated and saved, and then the key findings with the top trends in that space, and then the top products as well. And now we'll convert that report into my preferred format, so a PDF in my downloads folder. Okay, and here we can see a command the agent is running. I'll click allow, and it's going to go ahead and install a PDF engine if one is not already installed. And so now here in my downloads folder, we can go ahead and take a look at this report. And this is pretty comprehensive. We can see, I won't go through all of this, but this is 18 pages that is all data backed, and we can see the actual sources. But that's just level 1. And for demo number 2, I want to level up, and I want to fit something into this demo that we've also done in a previous video with the old Accio, but which incorporates something that puts this platform in a similar position, again, to something like Claude Desktop, and that is the connectors. So these are different platforms, and according to their team, there's a lot more coming soon that you can integrate the agents with so they can go do things on your behalf or actually operationally exist out there in the world. And I've already connected a few right here. I want to connect a third. That's going to be Gmail, and you'll see how this will play into the demo that we're about to do. Also, I think marketing is a massive use case here. I'll do a shout out at the end, but Instagram is a pretty cool one there. You'll see what I mean at the end. Let's go ahead and click connect, and this will let Accio send emails on our behalf. And there we go. Gmail is connected, and let's head back to Accio. We can see the Gmail here also says connected. Now let's head back to the agent. Now we're still going to use the general agent for this one. I'm going to go click new message, and I'm going to give it this prompt. So I need to source eco-friendly packaging for a skincare line, find 10 suppliers that ship to the US and EU, compare the pricing and the and I'll give it this prompt. So I need to source eco-friendly packaging for a skincare line, find 10 suppliers that ship to the US and EU, compare them, and then send negotiation emails requesting a 15% volume discount with a first order sample over the Gmail connector that we just set up. So this is actual work that you need to do if you work in e-commerce, and there's plenty of other workflows across marketing, across any and all basically white collar work. So let's go ahead. We're going to change back to Opus 4.6 and let's let this thing run. So you can see here what it's doing to start. It reads the relevant skills, which we activated, and then later it'll go ahead and use that connector. Okay, now it is picking the best suppliers. Now here it's using the skill to go ahead and fetch product supplier information from the Alibaba network. Okay, so it gave me a summary of the top suppliers that it chose. Now also what it's saying here is, hey, these suppliers don't list their public email addresses. So there's two ways we could proceed with this. Number one, the agent for us could send the messages in our Alibaba.com accounts. Or number two, if this was a different workflow where those emails are accessible, then you could just say, hey, draft those emails in my Gmail account. So for sake of the demo, let's do both of those. I'm going to say, I want you to both send the messages directly in my Alibaba.com account and draft the emails in my Gmail connector. Let's go. And now we can see the Accio agent has opened these browsers and it's going to go message the suppliers. Okay, and there we go. The messages were sent in Alibaba and the 3 Gmail drafts were created as well. So I want to do one more bigger demo and then one quick little thing or showcase before we get there. And that's going to be creating an agent. So we've been talking about e-commerce in this video. Let's go ahead right here, click new agent. Then we'll click on eCommerce Expert. We can call the agent eCommerce Expert. Let's go with a thumbs up. We'll go with this as the logo. But we can say, hey, this agent is going to be specifically for e-commerce. We'll call it professional. We'll choose Claude Opus as the model provider. And then we're going to set it up with all these different skills. And then also e-commerce specific tools or skills right here. Then we'll click persona. I'll say, call me John. And what I can do right here is say, this is my business, and then just give it instructions or what you want it to be used for. We'll click finish and launch. And then now instead of just interacting with the default Accio agent, if we want specific e-commerce related searches or answers, then we can go ahead into our e-commerce expert right here. We can click chat and chat just to that agent. That in mind, for demo number 3, I want to be able to engage with these agents, not in this platform, platform, but on Telegram. I think you can do this right now on Telegram and WhatsApp. I'm sure it'll roll out in more ways. And again, that's that OpenClaw feel where I can just text my agent in the morning and say, hey, that's cool. You gave me a report. I want to ask you a question. I want another report. And I can do that just natively from my standard social media experience. To do that, we're going to go under channels, then I'm going to click configure agent and we'll connect our e-commerce expert. I'll click setup. Now I searched for BotFather. I'm going to go /new bot. I'll call it ecom. We'll send that message and then it will paste that token. I'll click connect and boom, we are connected. And now basically anything that we can do to engage with our bot right here, we can go ahead and do on Telegram as well. Now I promised you that little shout out to marketing, since we talk about that a lot on the channel. If we go into skills right here, there's a few really interesting things. Number one, upload post. Number two, Google Ads. And number three, meta ad creatives. Basically, in this platform, you can automate things like uploading to social media, creating meta ads, and managing Google Ads. And you can even go as far as to create actual accounts like social media, Instagram, X, Reddit, etc. accounts for the bots that you manage with scheduled tasks via Telegram. And you can start to see the kind of workflows that are possible with the kind of agents that I think OpenClaw really popularized, and then Claude Desktop started to really blow up at the enterprise level. And so overall, that's how you use the agents in Accio Work and some of those task connector and skill features. So we've now covered e-commerce automation, supplier negotiation, and remote business management. That's all through that same platform, but very different and varied agents. So if you think, again, any of that will be a value add for you, and you want to help support the channel, you can click the link in the description to join the early access waitlist for Accio Work. And if it's anything like the older Accio model, just by being on that waitlist as well, you can try it out for basically free or nothing when they launch. That's not a promise. I have no idea what those guys are going to do with it. But anyway, you're going to be better off if you join the waitlist. You should do that. So there you go. That is Accio Work. Again, I think that's a big move in AI out of a massive global player. And now you're in the know, and we all get to sit and eat some popcorn as this AI race intensifies and creates better and better tools for you and me. That in mind, I appreciate y'all being here with me for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.